Bijuskaya CM, Vice Principal Father Ani Xavier CM, Dean of Academics Father Peter Martin CM, our Financial Administrator Father Santa Kurian CM, my dear teachers and my fellow graduates. I am Karen Angel Shubhu from Senior Kindergarten. Feels extremely delighted to welcome you all to 2023 and 2024 Kindergarten Graduation Day. From UKG. I really thank you for providing me an opportunity to share my experience on this days. Our Principal Father Bijuskaya CM, Vice Principal Father Ani Xavier CM, Dean of Academics Father Peter Martin CM, our Financial Administrator Father Santoy Kurian CM, and our Coordinator Anjana Ma'am to make school environment and rules so beautiful to enjoy the school with the staff. My class teacher Pramila Ma'am, Kannada teacher Sarita Ma'am, PT teacher Srija Ma'am, art teacher Ananya Ma'am, dance teacher Yelva Ma'am, swimming coach Ashika Ma'am, Smita Auntie, last but not only list transport department. Dear Pramila Ma'am, a big thank you for being guiding light in our kindergarten journey. You make learning and fun with all your games and stories, and always encouraging me to read stuff. Your guidance has shaped not only my education but also my character. I love coming to school every day environment because of the activities like PT, dance, swimming, skating. Thank you for being a wonderful teacher and my first school experience so memorable. The best school and the best teacher ever. Thank you so much.